Today lecture I'm going to discuss about how to run Kotlin program in Visual Studio Code. So if I go into this command prompt, right there Kotlin C. So here you can get this Kotlin scene is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means Kotlin is not installed there. So first we need to download and install the Kotlin compiler. So here in Google search box write there Kotlin download. Then go on this Kotlin lang org site. Here you can see this all that's come there. So here we need to go on this get started. This is the latest version. Here you need to scroll down. Here you can see compilers and plugin. Then you need to click on this compiler. Here command line compiler. Scroll down. Then you can get the this file from GitHub site. Let's click this. So this here. Now scroll down. So here you can get this. You can get this all. So for Windows here you need to download this zip file. So let's click on this. So here you can see the file is now downloading Kotlin compiler 2.320 zip file. Total size is 79 MB. Now you can also get this file for Linux operating system. This here Mac operating system and this pre-built Windows operating system. And if I scroll down, there you can get their Maven text or txt file is there. So this here you can see this done, almost done. Now the next is here. This is the download file. Simply we need to extract the file. So extracting at this location. So file extracted. Here you can see Kotlin C. Kotlin C and this here bin, this all file you can see Kotlin C is there. So what we need to do the next, let's copy this file. So copy this directory, opening the C drive and paste there. Thereafter you need to go on this bin and here copy this location. Thereafter open there, edit system environment variable. Environment variable path, edit. Now paste this one. Okay. Now if I write there command prompt, write this Kotlin C. So this time there is no any problem. This is processing. This you can get there. So no need to worry about this. But there is no any problem with related to external or internal command. Then here going to get the one directory. So writing there Kotlin here X. Then after let's open there Visual Studio Code. They are going to open the another file, open folder, Kotlin X that I just created. Yes, trust. Now there is no any file. First here let's give the test. For Kotlin we need to give the extension KT. Now let's go on this extension. Here you need to search code runner. Code runner and this number of download, click on this install. Trust. So this is currently downloading there. Now this is the code to print the hello world with the help of So this paste there. Control S to save. Check that code runner installed successfully. Closing this one. Then after here, let's right click run code. So run the code and this now hello world that's displaying. Dot 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 giving their control S to save. Simply right click run code. So this here dot 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 that display.